Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to sign up Empower account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in empower.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Empower. You'll be able to find several options over here. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the option for login and open an account. If you already have the account, you can click on the option login and log in to your account. But if you want to create the account for yourself, click on the option open an account. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to confirm the type of account that you want to open. You'll be able to find two options over here. Access my retirement plan, create Empower personal dashboard. What you have to do is click on this option, create Empower personal dashboard. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. First of all, you'll have to register for your account. After that, you'll have to verify your identity. And finally, you'll be able to personalize your account. So first of all, enter your name, enter the first name. Likewise, enter the last name. Now, in order to do the account setup, you have to enter your email and password. So simply click on the field of email and enter the email address over here. After you do that, you'll have to create a password for yourself. Your password must be between 8 to 64 characters. Now after you do that, click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to confirm your information. Over here, what you have to do is provide your zip code and phone number. So what you have to do is click on the field of zip code. Now enter the zip code over here. After you do that, click on the field of phone number and enter the phone number. Now after you do that, click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, your account will actually be created. You have to answer a few questions. When do you plan to retire? Simply click on the option of your choice. Now simply answer this question, how do you manage your investments? Click on the option of your choice. Likewise, answer this question, how much have you saved for retirement? Answer other questions as well. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to calculate your net worth. You can start by connecting investment, retirement, bank and real estate account to calculate your assets and saving patterns. You'll be able to find the financial institutions over here. In order to connect to it, you can simply click on the option of your choice. After that, you'll have to log into that particular financial institution, or you can also search for the financial institution of your choice. Right now, I do not have the account in financial institution, so I'll not be able to do that. But simply click on the financial institution of your choice, link your account. After that, you'll be able to calculate your net worth, and after that you'll be able to access your account. So like this, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. So that is how you sign up Empower account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.